guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Lifetime Tamarack Angler 100 Fishing Kayak. This kayak is one of the most popular fishing kayaks on the market and has been designed with fishing enthusiasts in mind. The Lifetime Tamarack Angler 100 Fishing Kayak is a well-built kayak with a length of 10 feet, a width of 31 inches, and a weight capacity of 275 pounds. The kayak is constructed with high-density polyethylene, which is a durable material that can withstand impact and extreme weather conditions. It also features an adjustable padded seat for added comfort during long fishing trips. The kayak has a large storage hatch at the rear with a bungee cord to hold your gear securely in place. There are also two flush-mounted fishing rod holders and one adjustable fishing rod holder on the front of the kayak, which is perfect for trolling. The kayak also has paddle holders on both sides, making it easy to store your paddle while you fish. The Lifetime Tamarack Angler 100 Fishing Kayak has a stable flat-bottom design that allows for easy maneuverability in calm waters. The kayak also has chine rails which help to improve its stability and make it easier to control when fishing in choppy waters. The Lifetime Tamarack Angler 100 Fishing Kayak has several advantages and disadvantages that you should consider before making a purchase. The kayak is well built and has a spacious design which makes it perfect for fishing trips. However, it is not ideal for advanced kayakers who need more speed and maneuverability in the water. Overall, the Lifetime Tamarack Angler 100 Fishing Kayak is an excellent choice for those who want a durable and reliable fishing kayak. It has a comfortable design, multiple storage options, and is easy to control in calm waters. However, if you're an advanced kayaker looking for a high-speed kayak with better maneuverability, this may not be the best choice for you.